Hello, I'm in a 2015 Nissan Pathfinder, and today I'm going to show you how to factory reset all of your display, which should also reset this. So first we will start the vehicle. I'll wait just a few moments, and we're going to be using these controls to toggle. These go between all your menu buttons. This is back if you need it, and then up and down, as well as an enter button. You just push it. So we're going to start by using this several times. So we'll just keep pushing that menu toggle until we get to the last icon here. And then we'll start scrolling down with this. So we'll just scroll down for a while until we get to factory reset. And then we'll push enter. So push enter. Factory reset, you go up. And then you hit it one more time. I don't actually want to factory reset this vehicle, but at this point, yeah, you would just push enter once more and it'll go through that for you. And then auto save everything. But I hope this tutorial was helpful and hope you have a wonderful day.